says here, inside the reset function, set each value of title input, date input, description input to an empty string. We first do the title input. Set each value, take note, each value, so interpolate the value of the title input, value of the title input to an empty string, and don't forget that semicolon. So we just follow this format to do the date input and description input. Right, date input, chain it with the value, set to an empty string, description input, chain the value of it, set it to an empty string. And now it says also use class list to toggle the class of hidden on the task form element. So again, we first have to write the element first, which is the task form, and then use the class list, which is a property of JavaScript. If I remember correctly, class list is a property, is a DOM property in JavaScript. DOM stands for Document Object Model, and it is used to manipulate classes to style for CSS, if I am correct. So we get back here. First write the element, then the property, and then write the method of the class list property, which in our case the toggle, because it says to toggle the class hidden. Don't forget semicolon, and then set the current task to an empty object, and we use that curly brackets.